This question, this mass is moving and this is at rest, and we are given with the angles, so we have to find the velocity. Okay, so as we can see, angles are given, so we have to conserve the momentum, because for kinetic energy one velocity will be required, but both are unknown. So let me balance momentum in y direction. So I can write it as p in y direction plus y and p minus y direction. So I can write here it is 37 degrees, so it will be is mv1, it is cos sine 37. Okay, and here I can write mv2 sine 53. And as we know, in y direction initial momentum is 0. Okay, it is moving in x direction, so in py direction initial is 0, so final should also be 0 because no external force is applied. So I can write p final in y direction is equal to p initial in y direction. Initial is 0 and final I am writing here mv1 sine 37, and it is minus of, because it is in negative direction, so it will be minus v2 sine 53. And write these both are equal, so they will cancel each other. mv2 sine 53 mv1 sine 37 sine 37. Okay, sine 53 will be 3 by 5 and sine 37 will be 4 by 5. Okay, mass gas it will be 3 by 5 sine 37 53 4 by 5, because it is a triangle now, 3 4 and 5. Okay, sine 37 is given, then it will be like this, 3 4 5 37 degree. Okay, and if sine 53 is given, it will be like this. Okay, so it will be 4 by 5 and it is 3 by 5. So from here I can write the velocity. Okay, so from here I can cancel 5 and write the value 4v2 equal to 3v1. v1 is equal to 4v2 by 3. Okay, now I will apply the kinetic energy. Initial is equal to kinetic energy final. Initial is given to us as half m1 u square. Final kinetic energy is in the half m v1 square, and it will be half m v2 square. Okay, now I can see the mass are the same. Okay, so I can cancel. From here I can write u square is equal to v1 is 4 v2 by 3, 16 v2 square by 9 plus m get cancelled, v2 square. Okay, from here I can write as 9 16 v2 square plus 9 v2 square. Five by, okay, so from here I have to find the value of v2, so it will be 25 2 square by 9 is equal to u square. Okay, from here v2 square I can write u square to 9 by 25. Okay, by taking root I can write here I'm writing root of u square 9 and 25. Okay, it will give us u square u and 3 by 25 5. It is the value of v2. This is the question. So simply what we have to do, first we have to apply the momentum conservation in the y direction if we are given with the angles, and if we are given with the velocities, then we have to first apply the kinetic energy conservation, then the momentum conservation. We can also find E coefficient of restitution, that is separation by approach, that is v2 minus v1 and u1 minus u2. Simple. Okay, so it is applied at last. But if we are given with angles, then momentum conservation, then kinetic energy, and if we are given with velocity, then kinetic energy, then momentum conservation, and you will get the all the values. Thank you.